I made a video last week on the Ray-Ban Metas talking about the battery life and extremely cold temperatures. I was in Sapporo where the weather was -9 degrees. Someone asked me how is the battery life on the Metas in like normal temperatures. I had to wait until I was somewhere with more normal temperatures to test that for them. But I'm now here in Kyoto where the weather is 15 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on how you tell your temperatures. But yeah, I'm gonna test out the battery life in the Ray-Ban Metas with Meta AI turned off. Of course, battery life is gonna be different for everyone who uses it depending on how you use your glasses, but we're gonna test it out by playing music the whole time until the Metas turn off. Okay, so to get started, we're gonna have to set the glasses up first. Oh, let's turn them on. I had them set charged to 100%. I didn't wanna waste any battery life while I set up over here. There's a train. Is that train too loud? But yeah, let's set up Meta AI real quick. Let's go open it up. Here you go, the Gen 2s are at 100%. Let's go ahead and turn off Meta AI. All right, and to keep myself copyright free, let's play music from Epidemic Sound. I'm gonna set up the audio to just about halfway throughout the day. And yeah, let's get started. Right now it is 2:08 in the afternoon, and let's just see how long they last. It's hard to talk with the music playing in my ear, but let's see how long the batteries last. Let's get started. Oh, Jesus Christ, no, don't poop on me. That's my first thought. But yeah, I'm here in Kyoto, Japan. I'm at a park right now. But let's head over to take the train and head over to the Bamboo Forest. Are they still behind me? Let's head over to the Bamboo Forest. It is really hard to talk. I don't know my voice levels right now with the music playing in my ear. So Meta states that the battery life of the Gen 2s is about 8 hours. Again, it's going to depend on how you actually use them. If you're going to use them for videos all the time, the battery life is going to go down real quick. So we're just going to test it out with just playing music the whole time. Because the question was, how's the battery life? It's going to be hard to tell for everyone, but everyone listens to music. So when I tested out the battery life of the Metas in Sapporo, where it was -9 degrees, I did it by testing out how many videos you could take. And you could take more videos when you had the glasses covered and kept them warm. So yeah, the weather definitely makes a difference in the battery life of the Metas. But this music is killing me. But now we're just testing how long the battery life is when you're just using it casually. And by casually, I mean listening to music nonstop. And sorry if I'm speaking fast. I should probably listen to slower paced music. Train's almost here. Oh yeah, that's not my train. It's coming up, I promise. All right, so quick 1 hour update. I'm currently on going up the mountain to see the monkeys, all right? I'm out of breath. But quick 1 hour update. We are at 86% on the Gen 2 Metas. So it's doing actually pretty well after 1 hour. This might go on longer than I thought it would. I'm tired. But yeah, let's keep going up. I'm gonna stop this. I'll see you at the top. I made it. I made it to the monkeys. Music's still playing. I can barely hear anything. But yeah, there you go. Here's all the monkeys.
Nothing really matters if you're not mine right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you.
Same for me too, I'm pretty hungry. Heading back down the mountain. All right, so we're officially at the 2 hour mark and the Metas are at 68%. 2 hours, so if I do the math right, this should last like 7 hours? Am I doing the math right? Here's the music playing still. And that's at half volume. I've been listening to it the whole time. But I'll be here at the river for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head over to the Bamboo Forest once it gets a little bit darker. Hopefully it clears up. There's a lot of tourists over here right now, so hopefully I can film down there. All right, found this random park, headed towards the bamboo forest, and no one's here. But yeah, glasses are doing fine. They're, I mean, I use them every day, honestly, and I've had them since they first came out pretty much, maybe like a couple days after they first came out. Not too much, maybe like 10, 20% each day, mostly just listening to music and podcasts when I'm grocery shopping or something like that. But yeah, I've had them since they first came out. So I would say the battery health on my Gen 2 Metas, I don't know, maybe 96, 97%. I don't think I've used them that much to drain the battery health on them. I have actually the displays with me also here in Japan, but I haven't been using them as often, and mainly it's because of the battery life. The battery life on the displays are not that good. And yeah, here's Epidemic sound still playing in my ear. Not losing my monetization. But yeah, let's head over this way to get to the bamboo forest. Observation deck. Do I want to go to the observation deck? Yeah, let's go. Frick, it looks scary as hell this way. Why is no one going this way? There's gotta be like a reason, right? I thought I was done climbing up mountains and stuff after the monkey thing, but I'm climbing up this thing now. I wasn't trying to. Somehow, all those people up there made it up here, but I don't think they took the path I did for some reason. I'm gonna catch my breath real quick before I go over there. Sounded like I'm about to pass out. Is that the way it came up? And I decided to go up on the random stairs. Come on. Give me a second. Okay, so we're officially 3 hours in, and my metas are at 50% right now. That's pretty good, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna be that good. And I kept climbing up this mountain instead of going to the bamboo forest. And I think I'm way far from the bamboo forest now. I don't know which way to go. But yeah, in theory, this should last about 6 hours. Probably gonna be a little bit shorter because they'll probably stop playing like 10, 15% probably, most likely. That's close. So yeah, I guess we'll find out together. Hopefully I can get down before it gets dark. There's like no lights up here. But here it is. Epidemic sound still playing. Yeah, that's all I got. I made it out of the random mountain I found. But I found the bamboo forest, at least the start of it. So let's go walk through here. All right, officially 4 hours in, it's 6:09, and the Metas Gen 2s are at 29%. So I don't think it's gonna last 6 hours, right? It might last 6 hours. Either way, let's start heading back, grab some dinner somewhere closer, because I don't know where else to go right now. Everything's starting to shut down. But 29% on the Gen 2s. All right, so I just got back to Kyoto on the train, but I got an alert on my glasses that I'm at 15%. It is now 6:54, so almost 5 hours. Just keep going this way. Music is still playing.
Cause I need some time.
Now walking on the escalator.
Cause it has been too long since I got any sleep. Yeah, it's been a while since I've gotten some time just for me.
In case you're wondering, right now the temperature is 11 degrees Celsius or 52 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature right now. It hasn't really changed much since when I started. I think it was 15 degrees Celsius when I got started, 16 or 60 Fahrenheit. We're officially at 5 hours now on the Gen 2s. The battery is at 9%. These are lasting a lot longer than I thought they would, honestly. I thought it was gonna be more like 3 or 4 hours, but 5 hours is pretty good. And it's still not done yet. I don't think it's gonna make it to 6 hours, but I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna grab something to eat while we're waiting for those to die.
Maybe I should call you.
Just had dinner, it's ramen, dipping ramen. But as I was in there, I didn't want to talk. But my metas told me when I was at 5%. But now I just got out, it's 7:46 and I'm at 1%. Music is still playing, funny enough, at 1%. I don't know when it's gonna stop because it's at 1%. So it's 7:46 right now, so we'll see how much longer it can go.
Oh baby, love me like you did last night.
right, so it's finally happened. They finally died on me. It is 7:52. It gave me a tone in the speaker, and yeah, it's just showing that it's not connected. 5 hours and 45 minutes? Does that sound right? That's actually a lot better than I thought they would do. I thought they were only gonna do like 3 or 4 hours, but they've lasted much longer than that. So, yep, there you go. Stress test battery life. You listen to music all day, you can last 5 hours, 45 minutes, as long as you're not doing anything else with them. But yeah, let me know if there's anything else you want me to test with Metas, especially while I'm here in Japan. I'm here for another month and a half, something like that. I'm definitely gonna be posting up this video before I leave anyways. But yeah, let me know. And I'm gonna head back to my hotel now and rest because it's been a long day. I hiked up 2 mountains for some reason. I don't know why. See you.